afternoon, guys. Today we are starting a new series to go along with our Melbourne series because we've been doing our day trips out of Melbourne on the weekends. So we're going to start a new series now, and it's going to be based around food as well. So every weekend or every day that we have off each week, we will go and try a new restaurant or a new cafe around Melbourne and tell you guys what it's like.
So today we're going to go to Biggie Smalls. I don't know what it is.
It's on Smith Street in Collingwood, and I have never actually been there before. I've heard a lot about it. I think they do kebabs, or maybe not traditional kebabs, but more American style possibly. But we're gonna go in there and try it out today. And this is going to be our first taste testing for a restaurant each week.
If you have any restaurant or cafe recommendations in Melbourne and around Melbourne, please let us know in the comments below. We're always looking to try new places. We don't like to eat at the same places all the time. We like to mix it up. So yeah, feel free to comment below and let us know.
We've got the Brooklyn Berry Shake here, and this one we just had a try of that, and that's really good. It's I'm reading from the menu now. Strawberry jam, white chocolate ice cream, and caramelized white chocolate. So good. And then we also had a snack pack here, and this is the chicken BSP Biggie snack pack, spiced chicken, fried halloumi, chips, hot sauce, cheese sauce, and spring onion.
Maybe I'm painting blue. What I want to do is show your love.
So what's the verdict? You like it? What's your favourite thing so far? We've got the milkshake, the snack pack, and the kebab.
Probably the fries.
Fries? Yeah, they were pretty good, aren't they?
Maybe I'm painting blue. What I want to do is show your love.
Rating of Biggie Smalls today, our wraps, we'd probably say, I'd say about an 8 out of 10. I'd probably eat there again, but there's a few things I didn't like about the price. That was quite steep.
Yeah, it was a little bit expensive, I think, for what it was. Having said that, they were generous serving sizes. Yeah, so in terms of food, it was really good. It was just maybe a little bit less flavoursome than what I was expecting for the kebabs. The chips were really good. The snack pack was amazing. But yeah, what did you think of yours?
I'd rate it at 8 out of 10. I'd eat there again. But yeah, the price was a bit too steep, I think.
A little bit pricey, yeah, because we paid about $30 each for what we got. The milkshake was really good as well. We got the berry one, and that was delicious. But yeah, overall, I'd say probably about an 8 out of 10.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We hope to do this quite regularly. Please stay tuned. Give us some recommendations in the comments below. But until next time, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.